You are safe.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my goodness.
46.
Oh my goodness!
Congratulations! Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Darling, look at you! Look at you!
What do you think about the name then? You think it suits?
Yeah, Birdie Blue! That's your name! Birdie Blue! Oh. Ah! Little girl.
Oh, look how pretty she is.
Oh, you're so pretty. Look at you.
She's got so much
Oh,
hair.
that's a good point.
Yeah, should we actually just check? Yeah.
Oh,
little
Thank goodness for that.
Oh.
Oh, we know.
Straight on. They're like mine. Pixies. Maybe your name could be Pixie. No, our little baby. Our little birdie blue. Oh, I love you. Little darling. How much does she weigh? Oh my gosh, she's so tiny. Well, she's... Oh yeah, go on, Buzzy.
It was like dragging. I felt like when I got in here, it was all.
Can't get a good video of her. Oh, toast. And just like that, we've got a baby. She's feeding. I'll take some pictures and we're just finalising the name. I can't believe it. Can you believe it, Buzzy? We're a little bit overwhelmed right now. It hurt. But it was good. Ah, we've got a little... We've got a tiny little girl. Oh, she found it straight away.
So hungry. Is anything coming out, Tracky?
Oh, her little... My little ears. It's so weird seeing my ears on someone else, a miniature human. Oh, pure magic, Buzzy. Where are you off to then?
It's all dark here.
Snaps.
So we have our little pretty girl. All wrapped up. We're about to leave, but just got very lightheaded, just a bit unwell. So even though we packed all our stuff up, we're just gonna stay here for a little bit, see how you feel. Maybe time to sleep after about 48 hours, maybe more of not sleeping.
I've been in labour since Sunday.
So, and you've not really slept, so you just need to sleep, recover.
I've not slept and I've lost a lot of blood. I'm trying to talk in between the beats.
Yeah.
And I've lost...
You lost a lot of blood. And
It was all too much getting up. It was all too much getting up to try and leave.
you've not eaten a lot today, and oh, and you had a baby, remember that? the time. 11 o'clock, so time to sleep.
Ah, big yawns. Oh, lovely hair. About to change a nappy for the first time. Where's your nappy change, Birdie Blue? Oh, she's so hungry. First little nappy change. What do I do? Do not scratch yourself, Missy. Oh, darling. Little birdie Blue. Oh, big yawn.
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. 'Cause I don't have you, don't have us, at least not anymore.
What is that face?
You said you had to go away
Your mouth.
just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for your love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to.
Go ahead. Oh, darling. Make sure you press the button in there for the.
You should just pull it.
Daddy missed you. And now he's come to take you home. Yeah. It's like a little gremlin. Off you go. Taking your daughter. Oh look, you're all good in there now. Oh, let's go home. How surreal.
That's it.
This is it. First time parents, lols. Oh. Time to take our baby home, guys. Oh. So good.
Going down.
How does it go in? Let me get in. There we go. Oh. Oh. Well done, Daddy. Oh, what on earth is going on? Little baby. Very, very surreal, guys. We've brought our little baby girl home. I can't believe it. And we're about to introduce her to Nan Amanda, my mum. My mum is, we need to film this. She's gonna freak out. Let's go and introduce you to Nan Amanda. I can't wait to see my mum's reaction. Oh, we're home. Nan Amanda, meet your little granddaughter. Where are you? What have you been doing? Sleep?
5 o'clock.
5 PM. Say hello to your little granddaughter. She's so precious, isn't she? Gorgeous. She's not real. Is she? I know. Aww. And meet your little sister. Is she alive? Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
Yeah, we bought you a doll.
Oh, look how tiny she is. Well done. Oh, thank you, Mum. Oh, look. She's so pretty. She's so sweet. She's so pretty. Go and take her out then. Oh, I don't know how anymore. I know the nurses are in. Tiny thing, but it's your sister. Oh. Sounds like she's done a poo. Gosh, she's been doing loads of poos. Hello. You're precious. You're a good girl. Poo's kick. It's not about you anymore. You're a good girl for your mummy. Everything's too big for her. Look, there's a little birdie blue. I know, it's gorgeous. You've got to post that to Birdie Blue. Oh, Birdie Blue, meet Nan Amanda. Oh, you're so gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Look at those little ears. I know. Seen them before. Look at your ears. You're so. Oh, you're so clean and. Hello, you naughty. Precious. It's so gorgeous, isn't she? I bet that's what you've been doing all day, isn't it? It's a miracle. I can't believe you've got a little baby. I can't believe it either. I can't believe I pushed her out. Look how big this all is. What size is it? Newborn. But it's obviously, newborn really varies, to be quite honest. Let's see how it, oh look at her, that's exactly what yours was like. A little curly on top. Oh, that means it's going to vanish then. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's quite dark, isn't it? Yeah, you were really, really dark like that. Was I as dark as that or darker? Yeah, no, I'd say the same. Exactly the same amount of hair. She does look very similar to me as a baby, but
They're very similar to you.
But she looks like you with her. She's got something down the bridge of her nose that looks like Buzzy. Yeah, just down the middle. I think she's got your nose, honestly. But I think it is. No, I think it's your nose. She's got my nostrils and your bridge. But the bridge is like Buzzy. But the face, and when she opens, she wants to suck her hand. She hasn't been sucking her fingers, but I've not let her have her fingers because she keeps scratching her face. But then when she was asleep there, she looked so much like you. It's cute. Look, that's an expression of Buzzy there. Okay. Oh, she's so precious. She's so tiny. They got it wrong, didn't they? Saying you're an 8-pounder. £6 too. Didn't they? So sweet. Oh, she's so, I mean, when she came out, she was all waxed, wasn't she? Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. Grandma didn't realise that they had wax all over them. She said, was that like, no. How does grandma's have 3 children? How does she not know that? Oh, maybe they take the baby away and clean them off in them days. Whereas I think they used to say hot water and towels and what. Well, no, we didn't use anything. Hello. They didn't. Hello. They didn't clean her. Hello, just Birdie Blue. Hello. You're my precious little granddaughter. Oh. Hello, Birdie Blue. Mm-hmm. Oh. Yes. Hello, Birdie. Little baby. Oh, that's a funny face. She is so good though. Oh, look. She's still in that. She does look a bit like you as well, Mum. I can see all sorts of our family in her. Buzzy's first nappy change. And then you hold her little feet around the ankles with one hand. Well, you take the thing off first.
Let's cut this off.
No, you've got to take it off because it scratches her. She kicks her legs. That's it. And then the other one. Oh, little baby. Yeah, but you... Oh. First night home as a family of 3. Oh, she's so precious. Oh, so much still to kind of update you guys on. But yeah, what a crazy few days it's been.
I can't believe how long she's slept for.
I know, she's so good with Buzzy, or Buzzy's so good with her. Fizzgig is very intrigued about our new family member. Oh, that's very naughty. That is very naughty. Get out of Birdie's little pushchair. Yeah, I've got our first night together. I'm exhausted. We need to go to sleep, gather our thoughts, and yeah, tomorrow I'll kind of wrap this labour vlog up and what? Trying to say and like summarise it, but that sounds a bit weird.
Start the next chapter.
Oh. And tomorrow I guess we'll conclude the labour vlog and start our new journey. Wow. I feel so overwhelmed, so exhausted, but this has been our birth vlog. I'm not sure how much I said towards the end, but I did experience postpartum hemorrhage and lost a lot of blood, about 1.5 litres of blood, and it might take me a bit longer to kind of recover now. I've got to get my iron levels back up. I think my haemoglobin levels have gone down to like 65, or at least they're coming up to 65 at the moment, so the midwife says. But we're in a perfect little bubble right now. We've got our little baby girl, our little Birdie Blue, and we are in love with her. So I'm going to wrap this vlog up here. And thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. The birth was empowering, incredible, hard, long, but at the same time over so quickly, and I'd do it 1,000,000 times over if it meant that we get our perfect little Birdie Blue. So let's commence the first week of our beautiful baby girl Birdie Blue.